Welcome to our deep dive into Stratasys, ticker SSYS, a leader in 3D printing. Can its stock hit $1,000? Let's break it down in this quick analysis. We'll cover strengths, weaknesses, and long-term potential. Stratasys is trading around $10.45 as of June 2025. A $1,000 target would mean a 100x increase. While the 3D printing market is growing, Stratasys faces declining revenue and fierce competition. Short-term, unlikely. Long-term by 2040 or 2050, possible, but only with massive growth. Stratasys is a 3D printing pioneer serving aerospace, automotive, and healthcare, with $270 million in cash reserves. But Q1 2025 revenue dropped 5.56% to $136 million, with a negative 9.6% profit margin. Competition from low-cost players and established rivals creates significant pressure. Stratasys projects $570-585 in revenue for 2025, with an 8 to 10% EBITDA margin. The company is betting on industrial manufacturing and AI integration for future growth. By 2040 to 2050, bigger gains are possible if 3D printing dominates key industries. So will Stratasys hit $1,000? It's a long shot, but innovation and market potential make it worth watching. Subscribe for more stock analyses, and let us know your thoughts in the comments.